They had a giant barbecue here on the starting line.
All right, now look at that. The back tires aren't touching the ground. He's got the rear axle lifted so it's not on the ground to create drag. He didn't do a burnout. Let's see what he does this time. Bring the RPM up, still got to stage it. He's got some competition coming on the one side. Here we go. I didn't realize the second axle is a tag axle. He's got that raised up. It's not on the ground at all. First set of wheels.
They're going to give them
That's a little sport truck over there in the left lane. Single cab. Like it.
I saw one of these with a pickup bed. That's a hardcore truck.